Hey guys, and this video we are going to see a short review of this laptop stand from Zebronics. So the model actually is NS1000. So it's a laptop stand which has small soft paddings and great one. So it actually supports around 5 kg. So as you could see, and it has anti-slip silicone rubber pads as we said. So this one can accommodate around 17-inch laptops. So this is how it looks, and it features foldable design to carry and some images. This is the actual spec size. So you can minimum and maximum expandable length. Okay, so talk about the pricing. It costs around 1400, but it's not that much. I will just say you the exact amount. So it's made in Chennai, and this is the model NS1000. You just get one small number piece. Yeah, so let me unbox it and show you guys how it looks. So this is how the stand looks. So it has the silicone paddings over the top and also on the bottom, so that your laptop doesn't get any scratches. How it looks side. Let me open it up and show you. And this is the maximum expansion level that you get, so you can mount it. So it gets around 6 steps adjustable. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 6 being the tallest, 6 being the tallest, and the first level being the bit more lowest. Okay, so it can actually support only up to 5 kgs. So if we are putting some much of pressure into it, so this thing actually breaks off. Okay, so as you could see over here, so this joint actually breaks if you're putting more load onto it. Okay, looks good actually, to be honest. It looks good. So at the bottom, if you could see, I just wanted to show you guys, you get also at the bottom you get this silicone pads so that it doesn't slips. Okay, so this is how it looks when you are keeping your laptop. This is the first stage, and this is the lowest setting. This is how it looks when you mount your laptops. Or if you're using your tab, it will be pretty much like this in the top 6th position. Okay, you can use it like this for watching movies or so. Also you can mount your tab on vertically. So to be honest, this one actually is good actually. For the price you get, this one is actually good. So I have purchased previously I have purchased a couple of stands which actually got broken within a short span of time. So I would suggest you guys to buy this one, which is actually good. So coming to the price, actually this one costed me around 300. So it's actually a great deal, to be honest. So if you're if you're going to use it lightly, it will be a best one. So if you're going to use for daily usage, I would suggest you can go for an all aluminum one, which will cost around 500 to 600. So it will be a bit durable in long-term usage. So thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe.